Today we talk about how can you disable silly reminders notifications on your Nextdoor app. So all you have to do in the first, you just go above your photo profile, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Just click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to this list. You just click here on notifications. So then it's going to take you to next step here. Just wait in here to open with you. So then it's going to show for you like this until you will find here for set in free. Just click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list until you will find here set reminders. Can you disable it here for email and here for app and here for Nextdoor notifications? Just click on it. So like you see color it's gone, that means the reminders notifications disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.